booked to go look at Aaron's property. This one, he has 4 properties, but he has 10 tenants, including the one that's currently getting flipped. He'll have 10 tenants, and people are already asking. The one that he's currently working on, people are walking by every single day asking, when is he gonna rent that one out? And those will rent out for around $1,100. So that's a pretty good deal. These dogs barking out here. This is one side for the tenants, and that's the other side. They still building the decks out here. This deck is pretty much finished. When you build a house, you have to have a deck with the railing in order for you to pass inspection. That's one of the things that I've learned. Let me see.
The towel on the floor. Don't it look different?
Close the door. No, it's the light.
I think it's the dust.
This is the shower.
That ain't the dust.
It's the light.
Let me see.
Closet for a washer and dryer unit right there. So there'll be 2 tenants in this unit. This is one side of the unit, and then we'll go to the other side of the unit in just a moment. This is the living room area. So when you walk in, you step right into the living room. The kitchen is right there, and the 2 bedrooms and the bathroom is right there. So they also got to change out all the lights in here. I really like the windows. They did a good job with the windows. They look really good. And this was an add-on that the contractor recommended. The contractor recommended that they put border around the window. Are they gonna fix the screens?
Yeah, I'm gonna get them to.
Alright.
Yeah, I'm gonna get them to. Cause I was gonna say, use screen for it.
What do you think about it so far? You think it's gonna be done by the end of the week? They said it's gonna be done by the end of the week, y'all.
This is gonna be done by Thursday.
Today's Monday.
So yeah, I think it's gonna be done. And really, the only thing that'll be done is the flooring, the electrical. See, these ain't done. So this could be done in like a day. I'm gonna get them to add a new plug up here, cause I'm gonna put a microwave right here. Yeah. The washer and dryer unit initially was over here. That's like right here.
Oh.
This was a wall right
So
here.
they got way more space now.
There was a wall right here, and it was like.
It was a wall right here?
Yeah, and it came out about right here.
So it's
it's
probably
like a
no
small
room
wall.
to really move in here. So he said it was a wall right here. A washer and dryer behind the wall in the kitchen. So now they have way more space because that wall is not there. This refrigerator is taking up space, but that refrigerator won't be there. You'll be able to put a table right there. So you'll have a separate dining area. And this is a pretty big living room space. This would be the living room. How many square feet is this unit, Aaron?
I don't even know. It's not a lot. I know that. Maybe about, I don't know, maybe about 900.
I'm gonna go look at the They working, y'all. Oh, the floors look good. Look at these floors. So So what y'all seen in the other unit, this is how it's gonna look in this unit.
You like it?
Yeah, these are good. They look good.
Yeah.
What kind of floors are these?
Laminate wood.
These are laminate wood floors. Baseboards. The shower. I don't know what that is. I think that's the stuff that they put. What is this, Aaron?
That's towel.
Towel? Where does this towel go? Or is it upside?
This is the towel that is used in the bathroom.
Oh, it's upside down. Okay. This is, in case y'all wonder what floors these are. These are nice floors. I like those. So this one is shaped a little bit different from the other one. It's just on the opposite side. Is the same floor gonna go? Oh, so it's gonna run all the way through. I didn't know they had to put this stuff down before they actually put
Yeah,
this.
it's called underlay. It basically keeps the floor stable. Some floors you can buy that already has that, and they were a lot more expensive. This is actually roof. It's the you know when you put that on
The
the
roofing,
roof,
yeah.
shingles. That's what that is. But you can buy some that just for the floor, but it's more expensive.
Aaron said that while they've been working on the house, people been breaking into the house by stepping on these bricks and jumping into the window. So that's pretty common when you flip in a house. I know that's happened to a couple of his other units that while he's actually working on it, people will come in and try to steal stuff. They'll steal the materials. That's why he said he wanted to wait to put the appliances in.
It's something like this. You gotta cut it, put it in like that. You know what I mean? So it's flush. Because this right here was added. You can tell this was already a part of the original house, and they just kind of
added stuff to level it out.
To level it out.
Yeah.
And the foundation was kind of messed up, so they make it thicker in certain parts.
How do they fix the foundation?
You can jack up the house, but like if you come right here, you can tell that it's a little higher over here than it is. Like if you walk back this way, it was way worse though before, because it was a tree underneath this house right here, and then the roots was. Well, underneath this corner was like roots underneath the house, and when the tree grew, it pushed the house up. So they cut down those two trees over there.
I've seen that.
And
Hold on, I'll show you that.
like
So that tree was taller than this tree?
It was about the same height as this tree right here. See this texture on the wall? They did this.
They did it?
Yeah.
The contractors did it?
Yeah.
Why?
Because before it was a swirl.
Oh, that thing that looks like this?
Yeah, and I hate that.
Yeah, I hate it too.
So I don't necessarily love this either.
I don't like it, but I feel like it's common with houses.
Older houses.
Yeah.
It's called knockdown. This is called knockdown. You're gonna have to put a frame around this door. See that?
They're gonna have to put a frame around that door, and they still gotta fix this. This thing is bothering me. Yeah, see that? We gotta fix that.
I should have put the frames in first and then painted and did all that other stuff.
I ain't even gonna lie, my apartment in the Bronx was probably about the same size as this. Maybe this might even be bigger than my apartment in the Bronx growing up. shoot, if I was growing up, I lived in the Bronx and I moved into something like this would have been luxury for me. So this is gonna be somebody's home. And then once this gets finished, I see something else I'm about to tell Aaron about, but once this gets finished, then I think Aaron's plan once this one is finished is to put somebody in one of the units, but he actually wants to sell this because he wants to get a 15 unit. So he wants to sell 2 of his properties so he could get the 15 unit. So.
I'm going back out there.
All right. But yeah, we're about to go. So these are the houses that's across the street from where Aaron is working on his duplex. But as you can see, they're really developing this area. These houses are really nice. So they're building it up. So that means that he'll have some equity in his property, because these houses will go on the market and they'll bring the value of the other homes up. So it's later in the day. It's hot in here. We came back and the floors are done. This is the other stuff that needs to go into the house. Oh, vanities, toilet bowls, water heaters.
I like it. This is the money dance.
Carpet looks really good. Bathroom is kind of small, but they gotta install the toilet and the vanity over here. This is the bathroom. So they evened out the floors that we spoke about earlier today. This is on the other side. And they did the carpet over here. So tomorrow